Guess I'll start. So this is team 8. I think that's what we are. Yeah, team 8. And this is our Handcrafted Haven site. So on the home page, we have our hero with our action button, as well as a couple other things. We have the seller spotlight. This is dynamically loaded. It will change on each refresh. So you'll see now we have a different profile here that's being spotlighted. I'll let others talk about the rest of this. So do you want to take it, Danny?
All right, so down here we have our featured items. So this, like the highlighted seller or featured seller, will change with every refresh, and it'll just pull in a random 3 items from the database, and it will just keep refreshing to let people see different items. And then we have our seller sign up page. So we did have one issue with this, how we were handling our image upload. We were saving them directly to the public folder from our server, but with Vercel, you can't do that. And we found that out pretty recently. So after this, we're going to do a PR to change that, but we were already all gathered. So we're just going to go and show this in local. But so I'll upload my profile picture. We'll add just a brief biography. We'll do an email address and a password, and then hit register. Add our location. All right, and then it takes us here. Okay, so I think that I'll turn it over to Carl.
Okay, so after you get to the seller profile, so this time we're gonna try the create item as a seller. It's the loading. Okay, so same as what Daniel said. So the upload image is still saving in the public. So we're just gonna fix down Vercel. So if in case the seller has missing inputs, so it shows an error message, like a text here, shows for missing input. So I'm just gonna try to make a new item here. Let's go. Just guessing prices here. Okay. And after you create the item, it displays here. So as the first newly created item in your seller profile. Okay, so that's pretty much it.
Yeah, so this is the browse page. This is where customers go to see the the items that are being offered. They are able to filter based off of various criteria, the category, the ratings, and as well as the price. So see all of these working here. And then of course, the term here. So I'm going to click on an item here, let that load, and then we have our description here with the image, and then the reviews and the review form are all located here. So I can say review form goes away and the review shows up down here.
So now we'll talk a little bit more about the seller profile page. So when the user is not logged in, there's not the links up here on the navigation to go to the profile, or the one down here at the bottom. Instead, you have the sign up page. But you can certainly view somebody's profile, and you can just click on that person and go to their page and view their products from this page. So this is the view only page. You'll see that it's using the seller profile ID to be identified there. We can go back and refresh this page and get a different spotlight. Let me see if I can get Katie here. I like Katie. going to get him. Well, I'll just have to show you John, I guess. So here's John. And so it goes to a different user here. Now, if you are signed in, so let me just sign in as Katie here. And now I get into this page, you'll see the identifier is not here. It's using the current logged in seller. And that allows you to edit Katie. Katie can edit her profile here and change something. I added something, an update. So now once you update it, it shifts you over to the ID so you can actually visually see what it looks like. And I added something here.